Hi there. This short video will demonstrate how to insert a video or an image into the D2L discussion. The first thing you want to do is go into the discussion question where you want to post and click the Start a New Thread button. Once you're in the actual post here, you want to click on the Insert Stuff button to insert video. Click on this button, and what you want to do is choose Insert Link. This will give you the option to put a link here. So you're going to grab the URL for the video you want to insert. In this case, I'm going to use a State Farm commercial. So I'm grabbing the URL from the State Farm commercial, I'm copying it, and then I'm going to paste it here. Once I've pasted it in there, I hit the next button. It shows me what I'm inserting, and I hit the Insert button. This will allow you to post the video directly into the discussion. If I click here, I can expand the discussion. I can then go on and type in my content and go ahead and post down here. Next, I'd like to show you how to insert an image. So this is the Insert Image button. What you want to do is click on the Insert Image, and then you can either insert from your computer. So you can click on this and you can grab a JPEG image from your images. Images do need to be JPEGs. Or you can go out and put in a URL for the image here and grab the image. Generally, if you are looking for images on the internet, the best bet for a quality clear image is to save the image to your computer as a JPEG and then come into here through Insert Image and click on My Computer and insert the image. This has been a short video explaining to you how to insert videos or images into the discussion thread. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Thanks.